Hi guys, I'm Oliver. Welcome back to our series about NestAds features. In this video, I'll showcase Creative Analysis, a feature our team has developed to help you analyze your ad creatives, the single-handedly most important aspect for running ads in this social media environment, with detailed analytics so you can make the best data-driven decision. With NestAds Creative Analysis report, you can 1. Monitor important metrics like ROAS and conversion rate of all of your creative across every channel in just one single dashboard. There's no need to constantly go back and forth between platforms. 2. You can gain in-depth insights into your creative performance by seeing which creatives are killing it and which types of content are driving the most engagement. These insights are super crucial if you're trying to stay in tune with your customer and create content that aligns well with your business, or if you plan to run retargeting campaigns and reuse your creatives multiple times. Now, I'll open the Creative Analysis dashboard to demonstrate what it can do. First, let's click on the Creative Analysis in the main dashboard. And at the top of the dashboard is the configuration or setting where you can choose which platform you want to see. Currently, there are TikTok and Facebook, and we plan to introduce even more platforms in later updates. You also have the option to select one of the 4 attribution models to credit your creative according to customer journey. Over here, we also have report by event day, which is the day the purchase happens, or click date, the day the customer first clicked on your ad. Additionally, you can adjust the attribution window and also the time range to best cover the customer journey. Scroll down, and here you'll see a list of creatives currently active in my campaigns. Alongside, you'll notice several key metrics, such as conversions, CPA, ROAS, and also revenue. Of course, if you want to access all available metrics, just click on this icon and select the ones you want. And in this column right here, the ad column, you can see the number of ads associated with each creative. And I've noticed that the second ad creative I'm running has a high ROAS, and I want to find out why. Let's click on Creative 2. By clicking on the creative's name, I'm able to examine the individual ads, the information on the platform, which ads are using this creative, also the total ad spend, and also tags. Tag is our newest features introduced in NestAds latest 1.7 update, which allows you to categorize your creative. And just click on this pencil icon and type in my keywords. Here I want this is scale, because it's a video about how it's run out. And click apply. Yes. Right now I want to examine creative 1. And let's see the ROAS. Right. Also the conversion rate. Right. And number 3, the conversion rate. Okay, now it seems like I found the reason. You can see that Creative 2 has significantly higher conversion rate than the others at over 4%. So we just reviewed the creative reports for monitoring purposes. But what if you want to dive deeper? Then just click on the Add Chart button, where you can craft a customized visual dashboard to help you gain insight. First, select the chart type, then the metrics, and finally select the creatives you want to prepare. Here, let's say I want to examine number 1, number 2, and the metrics is going to be ROAS. Click apply. Alright, here we go. I can see a performance trend graph that shows how my creatives have been performing over time. Over here, you can see like changes in the metrics, and also you can change what the metric is, or even add new one. Let's try CPA then. Ooh, nice! I can see that at the start of August, my first creative had high ROAS and lower CPA, but towards the end, my second creative actually brought more ROAS. We have just gone through everything about the NestAds Creative Analysis feature, and from what it is, how it works, how to use it. I hope this guide has been helpful in supporting you to tap into the right creative ideas that will drive your business forward. If you're interested in our app, feel free to click on the link in the video description and in the comments below. And our team is always ready to help. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.